I'll demonstrate how to pair and set up your Smart Bluetooth NFC Padlock. Launch the eGeeTouch Manager app, then select the plus icon at the bottom. Select the Smart Bluetooth NFC Padlock model. To power on your Smart Padlock, firmly press the shackle down into the base once. You have successfully paired your Smart Padlock and it will appear on the dashboard. To complete the setup, select the Smart Padlock on the dashboard and then enter a new name for your Smart Padlock, followed by a new primary password of your choice. Select Submit for both updates to confirm. Now you have completed the setup of your new eGeeTouch Smart Padlock.